Um, this is just an example. I'll show you how to make an appointment using a Dialogflow chatbot, um, sending the data to an Excel file. In this case, um, I'm showing you the uh, Google Sheet, with the API technology of SheetDB. So, for example, this is the console where you can interact with a chatbot. You can say hi, and the bot will say, "Hello, please make your appointment." You can listen to this. Actually, I want to see Dr. Queen, and the bot will say, "What date would you like the appointment to be set to?" And then you just type in the date, or can you tell them date like 15th of August? And the bot will ask your name. Can you tell me your name? And you say, for example, Mr. Sato, and your contact number. Okay, you give your contact number, and then the bot say, okay, the appointment is set for you, and you say, thank you, it's my pleasure to help. So this is just the interaction, uh, and what happened is that the information that you give here will be sent to the backend, which is the database. You can have a look at the database. Let me show you this one. Ah, well, okay. This is where you can look at the information from the yeah. This is the database. We have Dr. Quinn and services and the phone number of the teacher, and also we also have the what we call the data that has been made available. You can see uh, the data that I just type in has been exported to the database. In this case, we can open Google Sheet and have a look. You can see that the student was making an appointment to see Dr. Quinn, Dr. Ahmed Quinn, and the student name you can see here is Sato, and the contact, the telephone number is there, and the date for the appointment, the 15th of August, and created today. Actually, this is the 28th of June. As you can see, you can look at the back end, the linking between the chatbot here and the back end, the database in the back end. It's very useful not only for English language learning and teaching, but also for the administration of the instruction as well. So I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. I hope you enjoy my talk. If you like my show, subscribe to my channel, Janpha channel. Thank you very much.